Vader video.
Right, so I think this bit here holds it on, because yeah, it's a bit wiggly now.
It's definitely wiggling.
Problem with these, how big this pot light is. I know it's the sign of that, but is it needed? All of that? No, I don't think so. Obviously, damage is caused already. I don't want to cause any more. Oh, there's that red one. Connector in here as well.
Yeah, you've got it connected on a bulb there, boy.
Yeah.
So that'll be a squeeze one, a squeeze and pull.
It's a bit to a squeeze.
Hold the phone, boy. Let me have a little look at that. There you go, my boy.
You got it. Right, so maybe that will help. Yeah, there we go. So it literally just flops off like that. Now, it's catch and release parts. Just need to make sure they pop out. 4 of them bad boys.
Just held on there. That's it. Just pull them out, that boy. Alright. Yeah, 4 more, I think. That's it, yeah.
There we go. Right, there's your bulbs. Now, which one's which is the one I'm wondering.
Filament. You need to check the filament. If the filament's broken, you know which one it is. So filament's good on those 3. You sure they're definitely blown, boy?
Which one? I think it's maybe this one here.
Yeah, because the rest of them seem absolutely fine.
I can't quite see that. And I think that's the wrong one. So I think, oh, Google. Check this something different.
Oh, it looks right.
Yeah. Okay. So these from Alfred's. £3. Happy days. £16 for them to fix it.
£16 for them to do it, is it?
Yeah.
£16.
I know, labour and all that, but just wiggle it about and see what you get done with it.
We'll get that at the Labour government. Are they?
Deal, beautiful. Thank you very much, boy. Right. Loose. And it should wiggle right out.
Gripper like some dirty date you've taken back home. That's it. So you get her on the side of the stomach there. Pull her in, pull her in.
There we are. Freezing day. There we go. Leave that be. Take this out. I mean, here we are pulling out electrical stuff in the fucking engines. Hey. Good does, eh?
Always good to disconnect the battery first, but these smart cars, isn't it? Don't really want to go through the reset procedure, do you?
No. Not sure
Which one's blown on this?
that bad boy there.
Definitely check the filament.
See it?
Oh yeah, that's definitely gone.
But I didn't get that one. I got the indicator one.
Are you winning?
No, I'm not, because these are different shapes. So that's not going to win. Doesn't like it. Squeeze it in.
Should be a push and twist.
Yeah, it's not a push and twist on that one, unfortunately.
So how does that one fit then?
Fits in that one.
That doesn't make sense, does it?
No.
Nonsensical.
Alright, and we're happy with these, are we?
Yeah, do you just want to quickly check by plugging that back onto the loom. If we put it back together to make sure that the bulb was indeed the issue, boy.
Goes in easy enough.
So, you know, I would have actually just connected it naked, just to this connector here.
Oh, really?
And then check your everything's working. Because you don't want to put it all back together and realise that it just isn't working.
Right.
I think the most intelligent person, but I'm logical. So that's your lights, because you had your lights on.
Yep.
So check your indicators and your brake light, and then you're good, aren't you?
Right.
That was the one that was blown anyway, wasn't it? Right, yeah, that worked.
Yeah.
Yeah. That one worked. Yeah, that's hazards, is it?
Yeah.
What about your brake light? Oh, did you? Oh yeah, alright, yeah, cool. You've got one at the top that wasn't doing anything.
What's that one for?
Don't know. Fog light? You got fog light?
So we've got lights that's on, we've got brake light. That's the issues. Indicator. Reverse.
Yeah, that'll be on the cluster, won't it? It's not on the. It's not on the. Yeah. Still, Tony, think you got anything at the top though?
Eh?
Still, Tony, think you got nothing at the top, but I don't know what that's for. Maybe fog light.
Maybe.
No.
No, just turn it off before you meddle with it again. But it seems okay, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's good enough for that side to be done.
I have to edit this video loads. Ooh, satisfying.
It is.
Satisfying little click.
It's always the way, isn't it? Something that's so easy to go in, so bloody hard to put that together. We'll take out.
Can happen. So as far as you chucked a little bit on the seal for the boot there, so you just need to line that over the top. Have you got it?
Watchy fingers.
You got builders in your house, have you?
Yeah, yeah.
What's going on?
That time of the month. Right, I'm satisfied with that one.
You satisfied?
So we just need to work on this bad boy here. Obviously I've got two of the same bulb, which I believe, yeah, you're right, is indicator. But it's all good. The brake light was the most important.
Well, the cluster being red anyway, it shouldn't make too much of a difference.
Yeah.
It's just it'll have a slight hue to it.
Right, got to connect this one. We'll do the same on this one and move over to the front, shall we? I tell you what, these power shelves, just day in my life, amount of times I've got to change a bloody bulb.
Yeah. At least they're easy to do though.
Yeah.
Just try doing a bulb on a Mercedes, that's okay.
Right.
Yeah, that one's working.
Great.
Yeah, that works.
Reverse.
Yeah. Indicator, yeah. Which one's the bottom one again? Just try the bottom one again. Was that a brake light? What's that one? Are you pressing that?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay, that's fine. Yeah, I just didn't know whether it had some sort of indicator relay in it or some shit, because it kept flashing it.
So it's all good, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's fine.
Put key out. Before I get annoyed. Right, so.
Reassembly's basically the same.
Yeah, assembly is all the same.
Yeah, you're right, they could have just had clusters that were about that size.
Yeah, I've done it again.
Man's a professional.
My.
How the tables have turned.
It doesn't secure very well.
Does it not push further down, clip in?
That's what I thought, but no.
Alright.
You clip onto it.
It's a bit ropey, isn't it?
Now, why am I confused about this thing? This one? Okay. It's like a puzzle. Yeah.
The bolt being the lighthouse and the cluster being the boat. And lead the boat to the lighthouse.
Right, again, simple.
You're not going to give it a little wipe here, that? Get rid of all your detritus?
So obviously these bits slide into these.
Ah, okay, right, so
that's where we are with it. And obviously mechanism into there. Watching out for your seal. Happy days.
they're not actually different to the 307, are they? In actual fact.
Not much difference, no.
This is a 207, isn't it?
This is a 207 SW, yeah.
Yeah, so it's
So
kind
the
of...
lights are completely different on the 207 because it's just that.
Yeah, that's right.
Which is nice. I don't get this. I don't get it.
I think they did that just because the 307 station wagon's so close to this. They're like, let's make it different a little bit. Let's make lights that go around the side.
I mean, there is the
Future
box
boys.
207 estate as well. I don't know if the lights are any different on that. Don't rarely see them because these are quite popular.
Yeah. Lights will guide you home.
Certainly will. So yeah, this is the Sport Edition. I think it's just a smaller rear bit.
It's going to be the engine, isn't it? The engine will be different in some way. So 1.6 or 1.4?
It's a 1.6 HDI.
So it's basically the same engine that's found in the 206 GCI HDI then.
Yeah. Right, gaps look good. Whack on your old cover up, which is it's really poor inside because you get so much fabric on the inside. It's just fabric.
Okay.
No, but it is what it is.
Oh,
Anyways.
nice.